I am bad, and today I have a funny hairstyle for you guys. Every time I see her hair, ever since I made it, especially this back part, it cranks me up like mad. Like I just start laughing like a crazy person. For reference, this was what we started with. She doesn't have too much style at the back, and the style I chose, sincerely, is not the most flattering at the back. The back looks really funny. Every time I see her, the back just looks funny, and she's so cute with her smile again. Everything just makes me bust out laughing every single time I see her. But I made the star braid design. You can see that picture there, and then the rest of the hair I made like a snake braid pattern all through her hair. It's almost looking like the braid we make for crochet or for sewing, but guys, the hair at the back is funny, but still you can see how to make the snake pattern. And sincerely, it's not as if this style was bad, but this style is just funny. I'm just going to let you watch how I made the snake braid design, and you're going to see her cute self. She liked her hair. She really liked her hair. When I was done, I felt as if the hair was funny, right? I was not like, oh, this thing looks like the foundation braid for crochet. Maybe I should just get like a coily hair and crochet it to the back of her hair so that it will stop making me laugh. When I made it, when I added the crochet hair, I just got this little kinky crochet type of hair and added it to the back of the hair. And she was looking like a legit old man that had, because the hair was black, right? And her hair is like this golden color. So it was looking like a bald old man that had just hair at the back. She went to the mirror and saw it. She felt it. She was like, I don't want this one at the back. She asked me to take off the crochet one. So she carried her braided pattern that was funny, and she liked it. She was looking at herself in the mirror and she was just smiling. I was looking at her and I was laughing like a crazy person. She didn't understand why I was laughing. God, I'm editing this video and now when I remember it, I laugh so hard I'm having headache. But I'm going to insert a picture of the when I added the crochet hair, or maybe I'll add a clip so that you'll see. But I later took it down at the end of the video. I took it down. It wasn't what we ended with, because she saw it in the mirror and she was like, that she doesn't like this one like sponge at the back. And she's just like 4 or 5 years. She's not up to 5 years. She's like 4, maybe 4 years. So it was so funny, guys. Let me let you watch. Enjoy. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and if you're copying